Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. At this point, I want us to discuss on motivational intervention and the behavior change process in the treatment of substance abuse. We have so many interventional perspectives or interventions to apply in the treatment of people with substance use disorder. But in the course of our research, we were able to know that without a particular approach, these people can never be properly well treated. And what is this approach for? The approach is discovering that people can only do something when they are motivated. And that is why we call it motivational intervention approach. What are these approach? It comes in a circle. And the circle form of this approach is the approach that it starts from when the individual do not know to when the individual become aware until when the individual will now take action, and finally the individual will now maintain or also relapse. So two things are involved. So this particular circle of motivation is a major approach because we realize that motivation is something that goes with a cyclical perspective. It's either maintained or it is what relapse or break. In the course of fighting for this, we are able to understand the need for this particular what perspective. Hence, we now discuss the intervention strategy in detail. What do you understand by motivational intervention, treatment, or method among those that have a psychiatric disorder or drug-induced disorder? But at this point now, we are trying to talk about only those that have problem with substance use. They say this motivational intervention strategy or techniques is a therapeutic techniques or approach that is basically geared towards and maintaining a counselee. Remember, the counselee is the person that is receiving the counselor service or the skill for counseling for change. So the basic aspect of this particular thing is trying to motivate the counselee or the victim by telling him that you need to change. So, there is no how somebody can do something without being informed. And that is the essence of this our application of psychosocial intervention method. Where in the course of preaching to people through the media, some of them will get involved in the treatment of drug-related problems. Hence, I want us to focus on these techniques very well. And this technique is simple and it must be looked into. Thank you.